Tell us and our audience a little bit about what causes complexity. How complex is compliance in the country based on your over a couple of decades worth of experience doing this?
The awareness of compliance with the entire organization is being very limited with what I have seen. So you have to comply from the department side, you have to comply from the regulator side, you have to comply from the management side, from the board side, you have to comply. But to what extent the timeline is given, to what extent people are being made aware inside the organization of the importance of compliance, unless it actually comes from, according to me, it comes from top to bottom. So the person who is driving the business has to give importance to it. So it's just not that if the regulator says you have to do, you will be caught between the regulator and the management. And for the management, today the business has to happen. If today business has to happen, that's more important than you reporting on related party transaction, or you reporting on any compliance, or you reporting on anything for that matter. So that's the least that. But if management start giving importance and the regulators also understand the importance of compliance even before it goes to the company. See, like for example, if they say independent directors in my view are not independent, quote unquote. So it's just for the sake of compliance officers are doing compliance today. So unlike, I don't know, I'm managing compliance of Singapore, I'm managing compliance of US, I'm managing compliance of UK, and I'm also managing compliance of India. I feel where while we are from the regulator's perspective, India is moving towards technologically advancement like what US and UK and Singapore is today. We have not gone to that stage, nor we are below. So we are caught in between. Classic example of, if you have to file a form in Singapore, you just go online, you do filing, it just gets automatically updated. In India, you are trying to do the same thing, but you know how many of the audience will today agree, if they have worked with MCA V3, how much time does it take for you to just file a form, just get it approved? You just say it is online, everything is technologically they are trying to drive, but nothing is online, nothing is. So we are caught in between. Neither it is filing a physical form and completing the compliance, nor it is completing the form with technological advancement. We are caught in between, but still we have to comply. So that's where we are. So I always feel we should not, like what Rishi started off saying, doing business in India is complex, most complex. So I always feel we have to work abroad when you're in compliance. So it's most difficult to work in India. So that's my take.